My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
For everyone, team is taking this much of memory, 1 GB. Microsoft Team is taking 1 GB of memory. I think we can do copy paste, and let me do copy paste directly. Okay. So for this experience API, so experience API will call which API? It will call process API. So this will call process API. And here also it will be PAPI host, PAPI port. Then get assessment detail, get assessment report detail, post assessment detail. Why these three are getting error? Okay, so here we need to select PAPI one.
So experience API will call both, right, Ravi? Process API and system API. I mean, like experience API will call process API. Again, process API will call system API, right?
Correct. Okay, so one by one we will see. So listener will get. Let me check. Listener one is fine. Property HTTP host port. Let me see value of host and port. Okay. For this one, we will use 8083 and it will call process API. So it will be 8082 and this will change for happy. Secure property, I don't think we need for this, but still let it be if there. Okay, for now, let it be. We don't need, but let it be. So listener will call API kit router. API kit router will call this get assessment. Initialize this, start get assessment. Here in logger, we need to change detail, but I don't want to waste time here. Since we have some important logic, I will spend more time there. OK, but I'm giving you just idea. So this will be like who will be source system for this experience API front end? Who will be target process API? OK, so that all those logger need to be changed. OK, but you can do that change. So I'm not spending time here. Now it will go to this implementation one. Here get assessment detail is there. So it will again do log. So this name, this will be API. Sorry, XP API logger. Then this will call process API. And process API we selected get. This will be PAPI path assessment. Then again logger will be there for XP API. And then at the end we will. So this also we don't need since from there we will get JSON only. Okay, so let it be. It's not required actually. This one is very simple API, so we don't need. Delete it. Fine. So this one is done. Go to get assessment report one. Yeah, so report one now again it will be very simple. OK, so for report this time we will call only process API. This business logic is for process API, but experience API simply will call process API. OK, so we don't need scatter gather and all. Everyone clear with this? We'll simply call this process API. OK, and then transform message. This is also required by process API, so we don't need in experience API. And then this post assessment one. Request assessment. OK, sorry, we are calling here process API. So post assessment PAPI. Here also we need to do. So this will be PAPI. Logger since we are calling process API and this logger is for that process API. PAPI. From here we will call PAPI path assessment. Okay, so everything is done. It seems we need this transform message. No, delete it. So process experience API development will be always straightforward. You don't need to apply any business logic. Sometimes you need to do additional transformation since, for example, you have two experience API, one for web application, one for mobile application. So in those case, you need to filter out for one system, or maybe security difference will be there. That security you need to apply different security for different experience API. So it seems everything good. Let me start in debug mode. Let me take this process API also. All deployed. This one we called last time wrong API. We called system API. It should be 8082.
For post assessment, there's no difference, right, Pravi? All three levels, it will be same, right?
Sorry.
for post assessment in system API, process API, and experience API, we are not doing any logic, right? It is same, right?
Yes, in system API, we are converting in XML in Salesforce format. We are doing transformation.
I'm talking about post assessment.
Yes. Yeah, all three layers are simple only. We don't have much logic. In system layer, only we are doing one additional transformation. Okay, so this set of API, what we developed, this is simple set of API. After this, we will do one complex set of API that will be scheduler one and which will contain batch processing also. Okay, so let me call one by one. So this is git assessment. Okay, so we got assessment detail. 1 minute. We are getting this hard coded value. Let me see something is. We are calling 8083 means we are calling this experience API. So we got this response from experience API. Then we are doing this get assessment report. First we will do for 1001. So result is 0%. For 2 it should be 50%. And for 3 it should be 100%.
Ravi, in get assessment of experience API, are we showing answers also? I can in the response.
Okay, yes. So we need to remove this one. Yes, correct. So get assessment, we don't need this answer. Yeah. So what we can do? That filter we can do inside process API itself. Okay. Let me do in
But process API we have already removed.
Process
Right?
API, we already run the RAML for this answer, but we haven't developed it seems in the process API.
Yeah, actually we need mapping again. We just need to remove that particular field. So yeah, in RAML we have already that logic implemented, but during actual implementation, so that one was get assessment. So here mapping. Okay, so we don't want answer from this. So payload dot dot. Okay, we need to remove for each. So this will be array. X. Now here. So this will be array and there we will have question and option. Okay. Question. I will take value dot question. And for option, value dot option. Okay. So this is our expected response. Is it clear to everyone what I did? I just removed one answer field from here. Okay, I want only question and option. And since it was an array of question, like list of question answer, so I used map function. Let me test DirectXP API. Okay, this is our expected response. This is for result that we already tested. And this is post assessment. This I will do for user. Successful. So should be created this one. Okay, so we are done with this set of API.